Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to sign out of the Amazon app in 2025. Whether you're sharing your device, switching accounts, or just prioritizing your privacy, knowing how to log out is essential. This process might have some updates from previous years, so let's make sure you're up to speed. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Amazon app installed on your device. If not, head to your App Store and update it. It's always a good idea to stay current for the best experience. Once that's done, open the Amazon app on your smartphone or tablet. You'll land on the home screen, filled with your recommendations and shopping options. Now, look for your profile icon, usually in the bottom right corner. It's that little picture or the person's silhouette. Tap on it to access your account settings. This will bring up your profile page, where you can see your name, order history, and other details. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the Account or Settings section. In 2025, Amazon has streamlined this, so it should be straightforward. Tap on Settings and look for the Sign Out option, which is often at the bottom of the list for security reasons. Once you select it, you might get a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to sign out. This is just a quick double check to prevent accidental logouts. Go ahead and confirm, and voila, you're signed out. That's all there is to it. Signing out helps protect your account on shared devices and keeps your data secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your app version or restart your device. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. See you in the next video.